Yo, everybody. Welcome to another idea I had. I don't know. I've been watching a lot of cabin remakes, and, I've been building my own for the last 10 years, and I'm arriving right here, right now at mine, and I figured we would do a little quick tour of what I've been up to and what I've done. I've owned the property for about 20 years, and I've been rebuilding it for the last 10, mainly with a little bit of help like from my brother or my son here and there, the odd friend who might come around and help once in a while. But overall, I've built this place for the last 10 years. Basically, for 8 months of the year, I've been building this, but I only come up every second weekend for one night. And this is what I got done. So why don't we go take a look? All right, here we go. Let's get out of the car if I can. All right, so this is what it's been. I'm going to show you pictures of what it looked like before so you can have an idea of the progression. But essentially, here, let me just flip this. How do you flip this damn camera thing around? All right, there we go. So this is the property. So basically, yeah, 10 years. 10 years. See that? 10 years. I put all those bricks in. Yeah, it's been a long. I brought all those pave. I've carried it all. I built everything. And you can see, there's the property. And, oh, what's that over there? I had to take a look at this thing. Oh, do you see that? We ain't going any closer. But here, I'll zoom in. You see that? Yeah. We're not going any closer to that. I'll deal with that in another episode, probably in a couple weeks. But yeah, here's the property. What have I been doing? Well, let's see. The cabin was built in 1959. When you see this compared to what it was, you'll understand why I'm showing you this. So this is pretty crazy. It's pretty crazy. Here we go. Look at that. 10 years it's taken me in my life. And it's not for me, man. It's for my children. Hopefully I can leave them this and have it finished. But yeah, okay. So there it is. That's that. I've maintained pretty much everything on my own. I do come now about 9 months of the year here, maybe 10. I close for a couple months when it gets really cold. But as you can see, I'm working on the deck right now. And I actually got some grass growing. Nice. Yeah, so you can see, yeah, look, I've been building this place for so long. Here's all my septic systems. I got this crazy weeping field. This is all a weeping field here. Yeah, I got 4 tanks over there, as you saw. And essentially, yeah, look, am I gonna have a rain barrel system? I already have a rain barrel hooked up, and guess what? It does work. It does work. Look at that. All right, so what we'll do is we'll head in from here. And this is the deck I'm working on right now. Mind that. That's okay. But there you go. You can see I'm going to finish that today. Pretty big. So that's a bathroom. This will be a bathroom, washer, dryer, shower. Not too much light in here. Let me see what I can't do for that. There you go. We already have a hookup toilet. Yeah, everything's been framed. I'm insulating. As you can see, I'm rebuilding the frame structure for the roof. And I've redone the walls. Yeah. It's pretty big. It's like lofty now. It used to be 1 floor, and you'll see that again. Check out the picture. You'll understand what I'm talking about. And yeah, basically, I've been doing this. Now let's go downstairs. This is where my fireplace will be. It's going to be hooked up there. Yeah. Anyways, let's go downstairs. This is where, like I said, once in a while I had help building stuff. Well, I had a company come in, and we dug out underneath the cottage and basically put in a basement. As you can see, I've been working on it. And essentially, yeah, there's 2 rooms, a utility room, a powder room. That door will change. This is part of the water room. That's under progress. A lot of things are under progress, but as you can see, this is the old wood. You see that wood? That's the old wood from the original cabin. There you can see, actually, this is what the cabin looked like. If you want, we'll go take a gander at my neighbor's place. So this is what my cabin used to look like. Right there. That's what mine looked like. Crazy. 10 years of this madness. Endless amounts of money. Ripping out a roof, rebuilding it, adding on extensions, laying every brick, putting in every window, every door, recycling everything possible. And then comes the disappointment. No water. Yep. That dream is gone for now. Anyways, whatever. We're here, we're having fun. And yeah, this is what it is. Rain barrels do work, but you gotta be careful because there's bugs. Anyways, just drop a little bit of bleach in there and you'll be good. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for checking it out. Thanks for leaving me a comment. What do you think? Was it worth 10 years of my life?